Craig. Thank you.
Of course, I am welcoming you here to this beautiful building on this beautiful day, wishing you well in your studies, while acutely aware of the catastrophic circumstances that have led you to be here in Ireland. And indeed, words and my words are not sufficient to describe what is continuing to happen in your country.